We're gonna do the fishing episode. A little nervous. The water is gonna be pretty cold. And a little bit deeper than what it normally is. Let me give you a little sneak peek over here. All right, this is the little creek river, deeper than what I'm used to it being. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna give it a go. It's not gonna be as fun as it normally is, because I can normally trek down this pretty quick, and now I know it's gonna be a much harder trek. So I normally don't fish right here. I normally fish a little bit more up there, probably right around this area and right around that area right up there. But yeah, we're gonna get a camera set up, we're gonna get the fishing gear set up, and then we'll see you in the water. All right, I'm right here under the bridge now. I just wanted to show you the gear I was using before I'm gonna put the phone on the chest this time. So I'm gonna have a little chesty going. There we go, Dive Spinmatic, 4-piece, lightweight, 7 foot. Tied on here a Panther Martin spinner. I got 4-pound test. Working with some really lightweight here. And on the reel, I have a white bird favorite white bird 2000 series. So yeah, that's the gear I'm using. I'm about to put you on the chest, and we're gonna go down ways a little bit. We'll see you in a bit. Gotta get used to this weight. Ooh, that's the only thing I hate about spinners. Mess up my line pretty bad. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm already gonna switch my bait. Ooh, that might make me right there. All right, I'll go get that later. That is a $5 bait. It's funny, $5 at the casino, betting $5, $5 bets doesn't faze me. But if I lose a $5 bait, somehow it matters. Kind of weird, huh? All right, so I'm actually switching it up quite a bit. I'm switching to a little power bait tube here, but it's very, very light. So I'm gonna have to get a little closer to when I'm casting, but hopefully it'll yield me better results on the fishing. And I forgot to tighten my drag, so let's tighten that back up. Yeah, that's good. I got nothing. All right, let's go and move up river because I know there's fish for sure over there. It's gonna be really cold crossing this though, so I'm trying to work up my nerves because my feet are already freezing. All right, we're about knee deep right now. It's pretty cold. Contemplating life right now. See if this is even worth it. Yeah. I'm not even using the right bait. All right, it's about thigh deep now. All right, about waist deep now. It's only getting colder. I'm trying to get to the bank here. All right, I'm actually at a spot now where I can be out of that. Oh man, that was brutal. Oh man, the leaves are an illusion. Look, the leaves. Look, it looks like the leaves are right on top. No, I'm like knee deep in leaves. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. This is rough. I only got a bait that I think is working. The bait looks fire. Just can't catch nothing with it. Let's see. This isn't working one bit. I'm changing the baits again. Okay, I switched from power bait tube, power bait minnow. If this isn't the juice, then I don't know what is, but this should be it. Let's give it a go. I've come up river quite a bit. Let's see what we do here. All right, we came down. We trekked through this little island here. I'll get a better view of it on the way back, but it's like a little island right here. And the water streams down from two ways right there to this little point right here. And we used to catch a lot of fish right here. And this spot right here looks pretty good, so I'm gonna see if there's any fish right here. And just like that, the first cast, it's pretty bad. Yeah, messed up my bait first cast. Okay. No, it looks fine. Looks fine. Just not having very good luck here. But if I don't have any good luck here, I might just call it a wrap, because if they're not here, I don't know where they're gonna be. I got nothing. I don't know. I don't know where they're at. It's unfortunate. Okay, this time I finally saw something chasing it. That's the first time I saw some signs of life here. Now I just got to get some good casts going here. There we go, it's a little bit better. finally got a bite. Got a bite and no take. You see, that's one thing I am worried about is this. Put a new hook on, and it's not as sharp as my other ones. I think it's a little bass. Little bass is chasing it, but other than that, there's nothing else. Might be the same bass picking at it. Oh man, messed up that cast. Yeah, I'm just getting tugged on. I'm just getting tugged on. It's not. They're not taking it. Let me see if I can adjust the bait a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty. The hook is exposed as much as it can be. The hook is sharp. It's just not a brand new hook, but it's sharp. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh. There goes this spot. Oh yeah, it's a nice deep pool here that I'm walking through. Messing up. Yeah. Oh, there goes this pool. And there's another branch I just got on. Where am I now? All right, well, we're gonna get back and regroup. All right, so fishing hasn't been going great, so I decided to go for a cold plunge. And man, it's cold. I wish I had a thermometer to see how cold this water is, but it was frigid. I think submerged, I lasted like 10 seconds. Like I couldn't make it, man. My whole body was going numb. But I did a cold plunge right there, where I've been casting. It's the deepest part, so did a little cold plunge there. Obviously, I can't show that on YouTube because I did get down to the bare bones. But yeah, it felt good. It felt good. I literally was dry in like 2 minutes just because of how my, how much my adrenaline went up and how much my heart rate went up, and I feel great right now. Obviously my feet are still cold, but other than that, I'm warm. I feel good. So let's continue a little bit because I'm still feeling good right now. But unfortunately, I don't believe we're gonna have any good luck here, fishing wise. So at least I got a good little cold plunge out of it. We got some beautiful scenery here. It's a beautiful little river here. Creek, stream, whatever you want to call it. I guess I just call it a river, but it actually does go down and it meets with one of the bigger rivers. I actually don't know what the river's called, but it goes down and meets with it, and that is beautiful in the summer. Obviously I can't fish it in the winter, but in the summer that thing is gorgeous. One of my favorite little fisheries and favorite activities is to go kayaking down that. So stay tuned this summer. I will definitely be doing that because it's been a long time. I think it's been about 4 or 5 years since maybe less. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, probably about 3 or 4 years. About 3 or 4 years since I've been back down that river. But all right, let's go down a little bit. We're gonna wait a little bit further down, but if not, we're gonna pack it up and we're gonna go back to the car because I'm fine right now, but I know after a while, I know my feet are gonna start getting a little too cold to where I'm not gonna be able to bear it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Bass, bro. Right here, this is where I was cold plunging right here. Oh, she was cold. But it was worth it. I'm glad I did it. I see a bunch of minnows here. It's good signs. But there's not going to be no deep water here. All right, that's enough for here. This is going to be the last little deep area because I do not know what's down further. But I want to go. Let's go explore. Let's see what's down further. Is that overflow? I've never seen this little creek right here either. All right, yeah, this is the furthest I've ever been. I don't know what's past here, so we'll explore this together. Oh yeah, there was no fish here. I don't know why I was trying that. All right, let's go down a little bit and see what the ways, what it holds down this way. This is where I should have done the cold plunge. Look at that. A little deep area right there, kind of kick back and let the water hit me. Nah, you crazy. I'm gonna go to 0.5 for a little bit, see maybe you can see a little bit more of where I'm going. Get out of the water for a little bit. It's a little bit more trekkable right here. But yeah, it's just flooded right there. I think that's why it made its own little stream. Oh, there's another stream up here. Yeah, there's so many streams that lead into this thing. It's wild. There's another little stream right here. Shit. It leads right there. We're gonna cross this and keep on going. Whoa. Before I go any further, let me check the GPS. Let me see how far I am. Oh shit, there's a deer stand here. I don't think I should mess with this. I don't think I should go any further here. Should have stayed along the water, right? Yeah. Ooh. We're on some pretty slippery rock there. There might be more of it. I might need to call this and go ahead and turn around, but I just wanted to explore a little bit more. We're not gonna catch no fish, we might as well see what's further down. But yeah, this is, I'm standing on all solid rock here. It's not the rocky material that I came from. All right, let's get in right here. Ooh, it's pretty deep. Oh yeah, it's real deep. Oh gosh, that's super deep. All right, let's not enter here. All right, let's wheel in. Yeah, it's way too deep right there. Pretty sure it's about chest deep there. All right, let's enter in right over here then. Yeah, perfect. I don't know why I didn't see this before. All right, good. I don't know why I didn't see this before. It was much better. Well, let me put in a new bait because I haven't had a bite on this in a while. That little 1-inch power baits are normally really good for me. If they're not working, then they're just not biting. And when I've been in the upper parts before, I'm talking a field day. I'm talking like shooting, what do you call it? Shooting ducks in a barrel type thing. I mean, you could pretty much, as long as your bait looks good, you can catch something on every cast. And oh gosh, I haven't caught a single thing. So something's up, something's different. I'll try a couple more baits on the way back, but other than that, I think that's it. Time to call it. Especially because I only got about an hour to get back. That looks pretty good. Let's try pink on pink with the paddle tail swim bait. All right, let's start heading back. All right, this time I'm gonna try to catch. I've already trekked back. This is the same place where I was talking about where I was cold plunging. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to See if I can catch him on the backside. I really don't want to get in the water no more, but I know I'm gonna have to. There's obstacles at every corner. Got an obstacle right in front of me. I can't go too far to the left because I got an obstacle in the water. It's pretty tough fishing here. And normally the risks are worth the reward, but man, I'm just getting beat up here. All right, let me try in that same spot back that way. So I was at least getting bites there. That was the only place I was getting bites. But if they're just little small bass, it's gonna be tough. I think bass are some of the smarter ones. I was hoping for at least some sunfish. I can't even catch no sunfish. All right, let's try right here. This is where I was casting from earlier. Let's get back in the water. Yeah. Feet are cold. All right. Whoa. What is that? Where did that come from? I had no idea. Oh well. I don't know what that is. Probably need to take my shit, man. I need to take the sunglasses off here soon. Can't see. Nothing. Getting hits now. I just won't take it all the way. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try the hook set to the left or to the right. It's gotta be whatever it is. It's small, I know it is. But still, I wanna hook it